Hello all, yes, it's Pattingham Pep, aka the Patsel Pele, back with Game Week 4 review as we look forward to Game Week 5. Deadline's 11 o'clock in the morning before what is potentially the best game of the weekend, Everton-Liverpool, kicking off at 12:30. So, usual format, we'll have a little look at the league table. Top three consists of Duncan Lampitt, Tiz and George Udall, all scoring above 90 points for the weekend. And as we make our way down the table, please be mindful that with the draw coming up tomorrow, the top 16 will be in the Champions League, with Andrew Bourne creeping into that 16th place. And the bottom 16 will go into our Europa League competition with some famous names in there, with Ben Thorne in 20th and John Hartle in 23rd, and Sam Pedley propping us up in 32nd place. Okay, moving on from there, let's have a look at our Diamond of the Week. So a massive well done and congratulations to Tiz. Some fantastic scores in there. Newcastle with Alan Saint-Maximin, who's just signed a new 6-year deal, as well as some fantastic performances from Rodriguez, amongst many others. So huge points haul, very, very close to that much sought after 100-plus score, but well done, Tiz. And here's to another good few weeks ahead, hopefully for you, mate. On to our Dick of the Week. He claimed it, he thought it was his, and it was. It's Rick Bradford with a very, very tough score. I think it goes to show something when, unfortunately, your best captain choice would have been Cody at the back with 6. What looked like a strong team on paper, though, I must say, Rickster. So I'm sure you'll bring this back, mate. Okay, on to tips of the week. Couple in there, so very much undecided at this moment in time on my wild card. Plan to do it after the international break, and with a few potential ins and outs, it may pay off for me. But that said, just keep an eye on the next international break as well, with lots of people having to pull out and self-isolate and stuff. I think potentially the next game week window in November could see even more threadbare squads and in much need a wild card. So that's number one. Number two, in terms of my picks for the week ahead, I do feel with the potential return of Bale to training and coming back in future weeks and what looks like a decent run of fixtures, for me, Tottenham look the one, but who is potentially looking like a world-class player now, Heung-min Son for me, has gone up to 9.1 million, I believe, but with an 18 and 24 point haul in 2 games this season, he looks bang on form and potentially one of the leading stars of this fantasy Premier League season. So my tip of the week is Heung-min Son. Okay, do a little bit about the draw. So yeah, going to do the draw tomorrow. Top 16 teams go into the Champions League. You'll be drawn in 4 groups of 4, where you'll play each team respectively in a league before the top 4 of those groups going into semi-finals and then into the final for a potential prize of £40. The Europa League will work on the same format, but going up for a prize of £20. So there's definitely an incentive to get yourself back into the top half of the table. And then just to finish off, massive thank you to those who've sent through content. This week's number 1 from Leighton Davis, a potential horror miss in open play, and then one from Mickey Dias, which backs that one up with an absolute shocker from the penalty spot. So here are the 2 misses of the week. And keep sending them through, fellas. Nice to give a shout out, and it helps me with the content that we're sending through. Any questions, give us a shout, and here's for a cracking Game Week 5 ahead. All the best.